SISSFiT. We're excited to be partnering with Joovy to bring you 10 amazing exercises you can do anywhere throughout your house.
So even if you can't get to the gym, maybe your kids are napping or you're at home doing chores, these are 10 of our favorite exercises to sculpt and burn throughout your day.
We encourage you to try them out. Tricep dips. So tricep dips are a great exercise you can do almost anywhere in the house that has a nice raised surface like this coffee table. So if you just press your legs and your booty just off the coffee table, you want to be just a few inches in front, not way out here. Back, rolling your shoulders back and down, and then those elbows will go straight back until you reach a 90-degree angle, and then pressing up from there. So we recommend 3 sets of 15 repetitions. If that is too much, bring those knees to a tabletop position. It takes off a little bit of that pressure, and then that tricep dip is a little bit easier.
Overhead pillow squats. So just a little twist on your standard squat. You're gonna go ahead and grab any pillow off your couch, and we're gonna work a full body movement. So you're gonna go ahead and sit back into that squat while raising your pillow overhead, and then return to stand. So it's a great idea to do this in front of a couch so you can touch your booty lightly every time you squat back. It encourages proper form. And as you raise your pillow overhead, you're gonna make sure you keep a tight core, shoulders are back and down, and you're gonna raise overhead as you squat back. We recommend doing 3 sets of 15 repetitions.
Split lunges. So split lunges are a great exercise to do anywhere that you have a raised surface. So we're using the couch here. Stepping forward on my left foot and sending my right foot gently back on top of the couch. You might have to hop forward a bit to make sure that you've got a nice distance between your legs. Tucking our hips and then dropping that back knee down. We always want to make sure that our front knee is directly over our ankle, not in front of it. That's why you want that nice large stance. So really slow and controlled with this split lunge, coming down to hover, and then pressing through that front leg, coming back up. So we recommend 3 sets on each side of 10 repetitions. So once you work 10 on that left leg, switch over, right foot comes forward, work 10 repetitions on that right leg with the left foot back, and then repeat 2 more times after that.
Toe taps. So toe taps are a great way to add a little bit of cardio to your at-home exercise routine. We suggest finding a couch, a coffee table, anything that's about knee height. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna tap each toe back and forth. So we recommend doing a total of 30 toe taps. That's 15 each side. It's gonna raise your heart rate. It's gonna probably get you sweating a little bit, and you're just gonna tap it out.
Leg drops. So leg drops are a great lower core exercise to do anywhere near a couch or a weighted surface that you can hang on to. So leaning back, I'm securely gripping the couch. My feet come straight up to the ceiling and then slowly lowering those heels to the ground. If you feel your lower back start to come up off of the ground, then drop your leg drop a little bit earlier. So if that's halfway and you feel it pulling up, that's totally fine. Otherwise, a great modification is to bend your knees and work a bent knee leg drop. So again, always keeping your core nice and tight, your back pressed into the ground, and working those leg drops. We recommend 3 sets of 15 repetitions.
Squat punches. So this is a squat variation that utilizes your entire body. We recommend finding a countertop, a sink, something for a little bit of added stability. You're gonna rest your hands lightly on the surface. You're gonna drop back into a squat, making sure that your knees are stacked directly above your ankles. You're sitting back to 90 degrees, standing at the top, and punching right and left. So you're squatting down, punching right and left. You wanna make sure that your core is tight the entire time so that you can get the most out of that side twist as you punch. So it's squat, punch, punch, squat, punch, punch, and we recommend doing 3 sets of 15.
Dancer slides. So this is a great exercise to do in your socks when you are on a hard surface. So just test it out first to make sure it's not too terribly slippery. So what you're doing is you're going to go laterally side to side with those feet. So you start to pick up some momentum. It's great for cardio, it's great for your outer glutes, your inner thighs, and then even your core, because that's what helps you balance as you're going side to side. So you'll start to feel your heart rate get up as you're doing them. We recommend doing 30 repetitions, so that's 15 each leg, and then performing 3 sets.
Squats. Such a simple everyday exercise. When you're doing a squat, you want to make sure that your feet are hips width distance apart, that you're squatting down, keeping your weight in your heels and your knees stacked above your ankles. You want to make sure those knees don't come too far in front of your toes because you want to protect those joints. So just squatting down to 90 degrees, returning to stand. And we recommend that you do 3 sets of 15 throughout your day. So whether that's first thing in the morning when you get out of bed, maybe it's before sitting down on the couch or at your desk, Or you can really challenge yourself and you can do 15 squats every time you're about to go to sit down.
Push-ups. So push-ups are a great exercise to do on a raised surface that's a little bit higher than about hip height. So stepping your feet back, you want to make sure you have a straight line all the way from your head to your tailbone. Pressing down, your elbows are just out from your sides, and then pressing back up straight. So lowering slowly and pressing back up. You want to make sure that you have an engaged core the entire time and a nice flat back. And then we recommend performing 3 sets of 15 repetitions.
Alternating toe touches. So finding any soft surface throughout your house, you're gonna lie flat on your back, feet extended towards the ceiling, and you're gonna reach left towards your toes, back to center, and then crunch up right towards your toes. So you're just alternating sides here. Crunching left and crunching right, trying to reach towards those toes every time. We recommend doing 3 sets of 30 total. So you're alternating sides for a total of 30 reps.
Thanks so much for joining us. We hope that you enjoyed our top 10 favorite at-home exercises.
And hopefully you learned something new that you can implement into your daily routine. We'll see you soon.